Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to make a phone holder. And for this, I'm using fine glitters and chunky glitters. I'm using 3:1 ratio epoxy resin. I've separated them into two different cups. In one cup, we will mix the glitters, and in another, we will mix the white holographic powder and crystal white mica powder. Dear friends, before we continue, let me thank you for watching and supporting my small channel. Your presence here means a lot. Thank you. After mixing my epoxy resin and hardener, I waited 5 to 10 minutes for the bubbles to pop up and pop some bubbles with a lighter, and then I added my powders and mixed well. To avoid more bubbles, I've sprayed 99% alcohol on my mold before putting the resin. I tried to create some design with the glitters, following my imagination. Let's see how it's going to turn out.
मेरे हाथों की तरफ मेरे हाथों का सफर रोजाना रोजाना तेरी आंखों से कहे कुछ तो मेरी नजर रोजाना 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 मैं सोचूं यही कहाँ आजकल मैं हूँ लापता तुझे देख लूं तो हंसने लगे मेरे दर्द भी क्यों खामखा हवाओं की तरह मुझे छूके तू गुजर रोजाना रोजाना तेरे हाथों की तरफ मेरे हाथों का सफर रोजाना रोजाना
Do you like it? Thank you for watching.